Zack Reodas pulls the fire alarm in Cars Life Stories School/Grounded.
Ma'am, I'm still grounded what I did in movie theaters.
Get ready for school.
No. Why did you wake me up in 1 a.m.? Because I didn't mean to wake you up middle of the night. You will be eating steak for breakfast. Yes. Yum. That's good. Get ready by yourself.
Later.
I'm fully dressed up, now, time to watch a good show. Hey screen.
Hello! Good show. Here we come. Crazy?
No, I'm angry.
Ha 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 ha.
Later.
The bus is here. Yes! What do you think we are going? Cars Life Stories School. Yep.
Later.
I'm going to classroom. Okay. Ready to start the classroom? Yes! Okay, how did Tomater get to write 25 paragraphs? I know. Okay, go ahead. The Luigi made him write 75 sentences and 25 paragraphs. Good job. Mr. Tom, can I use the bathroom?
Yes, you may, but be quick, because we have a test.
Now, time to press the fire alarm.
Shoot. Students, time to exit the building.
Listen, time to head out of the building.
This is it.
I know.
Here we go. Again.
False alarm. Zack Reodas, report to the principal's office right now. Why are you here again?
Because I pressed a fire alarm to skip the test. Zack Reodas. I cannot believe that. You pulled the fire alarm? That's IT. I'm calling the police. No. Too bad. You should have pressed the fire alarm. And do schoolwork. No. Help. Rescue me. Too bad. You could have pressed the fire alarm, and now you're going to jail. Jail. I'm sorry. Nope. You're not sorry. You're going to jail, and that's final.
Later.
This is what you were staying until. Cars Life Stories the movie came out on YouTube. Stay in there. Ugh. Fine.
Later.
You have a visitor who wants to talk to you. Zack Reodas. I cannot believe that you got in jail. That's IT. You were grounded for 94343946966767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767676767 9 Stay in there.
Thank you for watching.